Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and are studying well. Yes, in the last class we have completed the fourth lesson. Yes, today in this video class I will start a new lesson. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is good health. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? Good health. Here they have given some of the activity, warm-up activities there here. Some name at least 5 of your favorite food items. What you have to do? You have to write at least 5 of your favorite food items which you like. The food items which you like, that you have to write here. Yes, this you have to do in your textbook. In this lesson, we learn about the types of nutrients. What we are going to study in this lesson, dear students? We are going to study the types of nutrients. For example, here the types of nutrients, as you have studied in your 4th standard, the types of the nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. These are the types of nutrients. Then where these nutrients are present, dear students? Yes, these nutrients are present in our food. Yes, these nutrients are present in our food. And we will read about the balanced diet and exercising and taking rest are very important for good health. Yes, if you want to maintain your health in a good condition, then what are the things you have to follow? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಯಸ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. Yes, about the types of diseases also we are going to study in this lesson, good health. Yes, dear students, let us start the lesson. Components of food. We need food to survive. Yes, dear students, why do we need a food? We need food to survive. Without food, we can't live on the earth. Food illa andre namage badaklikke agudilla. So, why do we need a food? We need a food to survive. It contains essential components known as nutrients. Yes, the food contains some of the essential components. For that we are calling nutrients. Yes, dear students, can you define what are nutrients? The essential components which are present in a food are known as nutrients. ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೀವು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಯಸ್, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ವೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫುಡ್. Yes, then now how you have to write the definition here? The essential components which are present in a food are known as nutrients. I hope you have understood the definition. What are nutrients? The essential components which are present in a food are known as nutrients. These nutrients provide us energy to do work and help in repairing the old cells. Hence, it is very important for us to know the components of the food that we eat. See, dear students, here these nutrients what they will do? They will provide us energy. They will give us energy. Why we want energy? Yes, we want energy to do work. What these nutrients will provide us? They will provide us energy, and we need energy to do work, and it helps in repairing the old cells. The old cells which are present in our body, yes, these nutrients will help them to repair. Hence, it is very important for us to know the components of the food that we eat. So, it is very essential that we have to know which are the components of a food. Let us recall the important components of food. Yes, the first one is the carbohydrates. We have to write the spelling of carbohydrates. Here I have written fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Last one is the water. These are the some of the essential components which are present in our food. Yes, the first one is the carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. These are the important components of food which are present in our food. Remember. Next, we study about the components of food and their sources and what are the function of these components of food. These are the components of the food and their sources. From which food we are getting the components. The next, what it functions. Let us see the one by one here. Proteins. As you all know, protein is one type of a component of a food. And from which food we are getting these proteins? Yes, from the pulses, fish, eggs, cheese, beans. By eating these food, we will get proteins to our body. And what is the function of proteins in our body? Nam bodyalli proteins yav tara function madutte? Yes, it help us to grow. As you all know, we are growing day by day. Growth and development is taking place in our body. Nam body ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ daily ನಾವು grow ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. Development is done. How it is done? With the help of the component that is protein. From the pulses, fish, eggs, cheese and beans will get proteins to our body. The next one, carbohydrates. We are getting carbohydrates to our body from rice, wheat, fruit, juices, cereals and potatoes. By eating these foods, we will get carbohydrates to our body. Then what is the function of carbohydrates? It gives us energy to do work. Yes, we are working daily. Yes, we will do many works in day-to-day life. That energy from where we are getting? By eating carbohydrates, we are getting energy to do work. The next component of a food here is fats. Fats we are getting from meat, nuts, butter, oil and ghee. And what is the function of fat? It gives us energy to do work and keep our body warm. Yes, dear students, if you touch your body, you feel warmness. Salpa bisi ide anta ansutte nim body. Why? Because in our body fats are present. Because of that purpose only our body is little bit warm here. The next component of food is vitamins. Vitamins we are getting from green vegetables. Yes, green vegetables, fruits and sprouts. From these sources we are getting vitamins to our body and it help our body to fight diseases. Yes, ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೋಗ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ they will fight against the diseases here. The next component of food is minerals. We are getting minerals from milk, curd, cheese, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, beans, dairy products. From these sources we are getting minerals to our body. Then what is the function of minerals? It is required for the formation of healthy bones. Nam bodyalli bones idave, the hard substance. What are bones? Yes, the hard substance which are present inside our body are known as the bones. ಆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ there is a less amount of minerals in your body, then you will get some other diseases. So for that we have to eat what here? These all the things: milk, curd, cheese, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, beans and dairy products. Okay, it is required for the growth and for the formation of healthy bones and blood and teeth. The next one component of food is a water. We are getting food items and water. From the food items we are getting water to our body, and it functions, it helps our body to stay healthy. If you want to stay healthy, water is very important nutrient. The next component of food is a roughage. We are getting roughage from fruits and vegetables with a peel or skin. Oats, barley, cereals, pulses and whole grains. These are the sources of roughage. And what is the function of roughage? It helps in removing waste material from our body in the form of a stool, nothing but in the form of urine and sweat. It helps to remove the waste material in our body. Some of the waste material also is there. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡವಾದಂಥದ್ದು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ? ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂರಿನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ roughage is very important. These are the components of food, and these are the sources of components of food, and what it functions we have studied. I hope, dear students, you have understood. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.